Okay, these are the bell siphons I made for my aquaponics system. This right here is going to be a stack pipe. It's going to sit down in the aquaponics system, and once the water level reaches this point right here, it's going to start a siphoning. It's going to drain all the water down and out. This right here is a siphon tube. Once the water reaches down here, it's going to start grabbing air and it's going to break the siphon up here. You want this stack pipe to be like right even with the bottom of the bell pipe, or the bell siphon they call it. That way when the water reaches that level, it's going to start siphoning. So when the water reaches that level and it starts siphoning, this tube, the water is going to go down. And once it starts catching air, it's going to break the siphon at the top. Anytime, like right around here, I drilled a hole and I used silicone. But anytime you use silicone in an aquaponics system with fish, you need to make sure that the silicone you use is aquarium safe. And right here it says aquarium safe. I don't know if I can zoom in on that so you can see it, but anyway, the green DAP here, it says all-purpose adhesive but it is aquarium safe. Now the timers I'm using is this. One's going to be on my aquaponics system and one's going to be on my hydroponic system. The hydroponic system is going to go off 3 times a day, so there's little tabs here you just press down 3 times a day, whatever hour you want it to put on. The aquaponics system, as far as the water pump, I'm going to have it go on every 30 minutes for 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes for 30 minutes. Now the air pump is going to be all the time, no matter what. It's going to pump air into the fish tank. It's also going to pump air into the tank that I have that's set up for the floating mat. And it's also going to pump air into my hydroponic system into the tank for that. So the air pump I have is big enough that it should push the air into everything. So this is a little update. Hopefully in a week or so we'll get this thing up and running and test it out fully. If you have any questions, just shout.